saw this amazing view and had to go looking for more. Wow. Wow. Nice, nice. I definitely need to come back here. Okay, let's go. Never been here before, so this is my first experience, and it's at night. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever been here before.
Let me think I should make a video on the top 5 or top 10 parks in Jamaica. This will probably be number 1. Yeah, Harmony Beach Park at night. Place look pretty, very romantic. Just want to check out the beach real quick. Thought it would be closed after 6:28, but no. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
So I'm just here for a quick walkthrough. Just wrapped up working from a 9 to 5 and had the chance to check this out. I'm actually traveling back to Portmore tonight, which is over 2 hours away, so I can't stay too long. So far, I like the paved surfaces, the trees all around, the beautiful lights. So this free public access facility is owned by the Urban Development Corporation and spans 16 acres. The park is also home to several species of plants that are endemic to Jamaica. So what do you think of this beach park in the middle of Montego Bay?
This might be the best park in Jamaica. Wow. Look at the sand. Huh. This looks pretty at night though, man. Wow. That's where we're coming from. Pretty lights.
Nice, nice. It's so crazy to think it's in the middle of the town square. It's a completely accessible location to everyone.
So they put up warnings. So weather conditions, flag warning system. Green flag meaning good conditions, no unusual hazard. Yellow flag, moderate sea conditions, or yellow flag, unfavorable sea conditions. Maybe something wash out, but it looked like the exact same yellow flag twice. But okay, that's cool. Patients who disregard flag warnings system will swim at their own risk. I love this logo here. Look at that pretty logo, Harmony Beach Park. It's a fitting name indeed. Huh. Surprisingly, no tents. No tents or umbrellas. And still, place looks very pretty, man. Whew. Man, that's it. Trees all around. Can walk on the beach or go for a jog. Paved pathways. Would definitely love to come here early and do a long form video. Just a jogging trail. See it right here.
In fact, the jogging trail at the facility uses a rubberized surface made of recycling materials for construction. The park is also home to several species of plants that are endemic to Jamaica.
Nice little grass and everything.
So they first opened this place in 2021 and it cost approximately 1.3 billion Jamaican dollars to make. Wow. It'd be like if Halfway Tree in Kingston had a beach nearby and you had to go through Emancipation Park to go there. Wouldn't that be nice?
I think I should make a video on the top 5 or top 10 parks in Jamaica. This will probably be number 1. Recently renovated. And this is at night. I'm wondering what it will look like in the day.
Do you think I should do a longer video in the day? Get some drone shots? Let me know what you think in the comments below.
Lovely palm trees. You can actually see coconuts on them. Nice changing rooms over there. Lockers even. Oh man, this coming like foreign. Ah, no way. Is that a basketball field? Nice. They even have their own basketball field and thing, man. No, man. I really far in this, man. No. How far in this, man? Go a little closer.
So they don't just have a basketball court, they also have a tennis court, a mini golf court. You can do paddleball sports here. It's all inclusive.
Truly breathtaking, man. Look like police about, man. Things are go down. Alright, looks like I'll leave it here, but this is it. Harmony Park at night. Stay tuned. We're definitely gonna plan a long form video for here. Do some more research. But this is it. Harmony Park in Montego Bay, St. James. Wow.
I've actually never been here before, so this is my first experience, and it's at night. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever been here before. But what do you think of this beach park in the middle of Montego Bay?
Oh, I'm going the next way, yeah. See what I'm going over here, so. These are large trees, too. Ooh.
As usual, you can check out the Google Maps link in the description to visit here for yourself.
Have anybody been here before? Especially in the day, I'd love to hear what it's like. Leave your comments below.
You can come here for a jog, then relax by the beach after.
Alright, that's it. Take care. Peace.
If you're ever in Mobay, you can also check out Pier 1 that's close by. It's an amazing view, plus you can find fishermen here as well.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Feel free to check out some of our other videos.
See you on the next adventure.